Yo, what is up guys, Untitled TV here and welcome back to another unboxing video. And today I have the new Dji Tello, so let's check it out.
I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band, legacies.
So when I was in Penang a few days ago, I saw one of the shop in the mall selling this new Dji Tello for the price of 499 ringgit. So I went into the shop and I asked them for a discount, so they gave me the last price for 474 ringgit. So let's don't waste the time and let's do the unboxing. So this drone is kind of small though. So as you can see behind the box, the specs for the drone, you can fly the drone up to 13 minutes. Alright, and it has the precise hovering. It also has the 5 megapixel camera, electronic image stabilization. It can record up to 720p, multiple flight modes. I mean, you can flip the drones right inside from any angles that you want. Easy operation, that means that you can use your gaming controller or your mobile phone, and the last is programmable with the Tello SDK. So I want to show you guys how big this drone is. Let's take it out from the box, put it aside. Alright, and this is the size of the cigarette box, almost. You can compare it. Alright, it's very light, you know. Most of them are made out of plastic. If you buy this drone, you'll get the battery that has the capacity of 1100 milliamp. Alright, 4 extra propellers, a pin if you want to change your broken propeller, a manual book. That's all. So you can charge your drone using the micro USB slot that is located here. Right? Well, behind the box also on the bottom left stated that accessories sold separately, so you can use the remote controller, battery charging hub, the Tello snap-on top covers. You can change the top of your drone. Alright. And there's a QR code if you want to learn more about how to use the Dji Tello. So right now I'm gonna put the battery into the drone and let's see if this works. Alright, you need to make sure there's a snap sound. Alright, there's a button on off button on the right side of the drone. So you press it once and it will show you an indicator. That means it's ready to fly. So if you wanna download the app for the drone, you can use the App Store or the Google Play. Alright, type in Dji Tello and install. So right now I'm gonna try this roll. So push that, press slide to take off, and I press slide. Good. So right now I'm gonna do the hand landing. Okay, confirm. I'll put my hand here and it will stop. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button as well, and don't forget to share with all your friends. Thank you guys, and see you guys again.